Hi there, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and welcome to this explainer video on our social work home visit checklist. Social workers may be required to conduct home visits with their clients to ensure their safety or welfare. These checks might be for children in foster care, children needing ongoing checks to ensure their safety, elderly clients living in the community, disabled clients, clients reintegrating with society, or any other clients whose social worker needs to make sure their living conditions and welfare are being assessed. This checklist is designed to be a tool to help you cover everything you need to during your home visit. There can be a lot of things you're expected to check, and so having a written list is a great help to ensure you cover everything you need to. To start using our home visit checklist, download the PDF using the link on this page. Just click the bubble next to the number you'd like to score. Alternatively, you can use this template right from within Carepatron. I'll show you how to do this at the end of the video. Let's run through the different sections of our social worker home visit checklist. The client information section is an important step for ensuring your note is attached to the correct client record. As you walk around your client's home, take each room in turn and complete each item on the checklist by giving a score from 3, meaning you strongly agree with the statement, 2, meaning you agree, 1, meaning you disagree, or 0, meaning you strongly disagree with the statement. We know that a home visit can't be entirely captured using only a checklist, and so we've left space for additional notes. This could include an explanation of any 0 or 1 scores given, any additional concerns, and a plan for the next steps for your client. The last step is to add your name, signature, and date in the spaces provided at the bottom of the checklist. It's important that you keep this checklist in a secure location, whether physical or digital, as it contains sensitive and private information on your clients. We've made an example social worker home visit checklist here, so you can get an idea of how to fill in this checklist. To find this checklist from within Carepatron, head to the Templates tab from the menu on the left. Ensure you're filtering by community templates to make sure you can see all of Carepatron's templates. Search by keyword by clicking in this search box. Once you've found the template you'd like to use, hover over it and select Choose Template. Then select your client from your client list. You can work in this Draft tab, and when you're done, just click Publish.